So while knowledge will help you get the job, and there are really a lot of people looking for a tester. If you need a proof, you can check LinkedIn. Just write there QA engineer, and you will see thousands of jobs. And they are changing every day. Think about that. They are finding what they're looking for, the person to work with them, and a new company post a new job there. And think about the possibility. And as you know, this might be a critical breakpoint for your life to change to new career. I know it for the most of you, and this is a really good opportunity for everybody. I have to say that. I can say that.
Okay, so can you give us information about the class structure and the plan about this QA course in English?
As in Turkish course, we will touch a lot of different subject and tools. For example, first thing first, of course, Core Java and other FE programs. I do not want to burn you with technical stuff, so I will just tell the fundamental tools, FE tools. And yes, we are going to try to teach you everything from scratch, from zero to the peak. When we start the lesson, we will start with fundamentals, and step by step, we will improve the lessons to be a professional. And a few tools, if I have to, I should mention. Firstly, we will learn Java, then Selenium WebDriver, and API and SQL. These are a few terms in the tester, in being a tester, and Appium to test mobile applications, and Cypress, which is very popular these days. And you will be able to test the application with these programs.
Now, I want to know about mentoring program. Could you give us information about the mentoring program at Wise Quarter?
Yes, I believe it is the most important point in Wise Quarter because we support our students until they got the job. They get the job. You will use experiences in your CVs and resumes. So when you apply to a job, you will say, I have done this, I have completed API tests, for example, SQL tests, I used Java as a programming language. So the companies will see you that way. You are experienced, you have faced these things. As I told you before, I think they are like a golden mine. Very important.
Yeah. Project. I know that instructor Ahmed mentioned that the students will be able to do project and they will be able to use the project, what they did in the project in resume, and they will be able to use that experience when they apply for a job. So could you tell us information about it, about the project?
I believe the projects are like a golden mine here. You have to dig all gold from them. Because in the course, you will learn a lot of things. Of course, we are going to teach you how to use them, where to use them. But in the project, you will experience a real job. So you will, I don't not use the technical words. You will have a manager, for example, and a boss. The boss will tell you a few things, and you will do them in your actual real job. Do not worry, our bosses are not very angry person. They will not use that kind of words. Politely, they will tell you what to do, and you will try to complete the job in that time. While you are applying your knowledge, which you have learned from the course, you will also experience the real job and use everything. And you will test a real web application while you are in the project, and we will have actually two projects to experience same thing twice. And you are going to feel the pressure of real job actually.
Mhm.
So
Yeah, it's a great experience. It will be great experience for them to apply what they know in the
of
project.
course,
And you said they will complete 2 projects, right? So
yes.
yeah, it's great. Yes.
And
Yeah,
then
yeah, you can continue. I just want to
I'm
for
sorry.
you.
For example, it will be very good resource for your interviews too. One of the most important faced question is what kind of difficulty have you faced before, and what have you done? And every project, believe me, every student will face a lot of difficulty while completing their projects. So they will explain the real things, whatever they have faced so far. For example, I couldn't do that, and somehow while checking the Google, I found the solution and applied them. You will
Experience.
use experiences in your CVs and resumes. So when you apply to a job, you will say, I have done this, I have completed API tests, for example, SQL tests, I use Java as a programming language. So the companies will see you that way. You are experienced. You have faced these things.